Am I audible and visible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. So I'll
Ma'am.
be taking the question. Everyone, please adjust your cameras and sit comfortably in an easy posture. Find a calm space and sit comfortably. Keep your mics on. Keep your mics off and cameras on. If you want, you can keep them off too. Sorry. Now, sit comfortably, roll your back, close your eyes, and now we will start our today's practice of dhyana and meditation. During this breathing meditation, you will focus on your breath. This will calm your mind and relax your body. So, be aware that there is no right or wrong way to meditate. Whatever you experience during this breathing meditation is right for you. Don't try to make anything happen here, just observe. Begin by finding a comfortable position for yourself. Make sure you must be sitting straight, your spine is straight, chin is parallel to the ground. Continue deep breathing. Keep your eyes completely closed. Keep your eyeballs still. Roll your shoulders back. Now lean your head from side to side, your right ear going towards your right shoulder, then your left ear going towards your left shoulder with closed eyes. Relax your neck muscles. Now come back to the neutral position. Your body will relax as you continue to meditate. Observe your breathing. Notice how your breath flows in and out. Make no effort to change your breathing in any way. Simply observe and notice. Sit quietly and now take in deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. If your attention wanders or you get distracted, just bring your focus back to the breathing. Notice and observe every thought, whatever comes to your mind, but do not hold on to any thought here. Notice the stages of complete breath. From each inhale, how the cool air is entering your nostrils, and with each exhale, the warm breath is going out. See the slight breaks between each breath. Continue. With each inhale, observe how your body reacts to each breath. When you inhale, how your chest expands, your abdomen fills in. And when you exhale, your chest goes down and abdomen goes in. Continue this breathing. अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी श्वासों पे लगाए रखेंगे। Now, as you inhale, count silently with closed eyes 1, and as you exhale, count 1. Breathe in and breathe out with each count. Notice how your body feels. Check that your spine is straight or not. Sit straight. See how calm and gentle your breathing is and how relaxed your body feels. Keep your eyes closed. Notice everything around you. Feel the floor beneath you. Feel the clothes against your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes if you want. Stay still.
हेलो मैम,
Yes.
थोड़ा हिंदी
So,
भी बीच में बोलिए। फीलिंग थोड़ी हिंदी में बोलती रही मैम, इंग्लिश में फीलिंग्स नहीं आती पूरी अच्छे से।
okay. ठीक है सुनीता जी। अपना पूरा ध्यान श्वासों पे लगाए रखेंगे। हर एक श्वास के साथ मन के सारे विचारों को शांत करते हुए, मन की सारी चिंताओं को, कोई भी टेंशन जो भी अभी आपको महसूस हो रही है या मन में है, उसे धीरे धीरे दूर करते हुए हर एक प्रश्वास के साथ मन और शरीर दोनों को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स करेंगे। लंबा गहरा श्वास, लंबा गहरा प्रश्वास। धीरे धीरे जब आप ध्यान की स्थिति में और आगे बढ़ते हैं तो आपका शरीर बिल्कुल हल्का महसूस होता है। Let go of all the tension and the presence and the sensation of the physical body will go away with each breath. You will feel as light as a ball of cotton. Continue deep breathing here. Stay still. शरीर में कोई हलचल नहीं, मन में कोई विचार नहीं, पूरा ध्यान अपना श्वासों की ओर। आंखों में कोई मूवमेंट ना हो। बिल्कुल रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे। And now I am playing a music and continue deep breathing while listening this music. If you get distracted by anything, bring your focus back to your breath. अपना ध्यान वापस अपनी श्वासों पर लाएं। Now bringing your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. धीरे धीरे अपने toes और उंगलियों को मूव करेंगे. Roll your shoulders. Keep the eyes closed. और अब हम करेंगे यहाँ पे भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. भ्रामरी प्राणायाम हम करेंगे 5 बार. For भ्रामरी, cover your ears with your thumb, eyes with your fingertips. जितना लंबा हो सकता है हमिंग साउंड को आप खींचने का प्रयास करेंगे. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. Release your palm down. Feel all the sensation and vibration going throughout your whole body right now. Continue deep breathing. अब हम करेंगे उद्गीत प्राणायाम का अभ्यास. उद्गीत प्राणायाम is the Om chanting pranayama. Keep your eyes closed and listen with your ears. उद्गीत प्राणायाम में हम ओम का उच्चारण करते हैं in 3 syllables, अ, उ and म. A sound will come from the navel. जो अ का उच्चारण है उसका साउंड पेट से आता है. U sound comes from heart, Anahat chakra, and M sound comes with a closed mouth from the throat. So इस तरीके से उच्चारण करेंगे ओम का. एक बार मैं करके दिखाती हूँ, फिर हम सभी एक साथ करेंगे. Breathe in. कंटिन्यू सभी एक साथ. ब्रीद इन. Keep going. Feel that vibration throughout your whole body. One more round. Breathe in. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Stay still. Feel and observe all the sensation and vibrations which you activated around you and in you right now. Let go of all the negative thoughts, any kind of stress, tension, or any thought here, and bring in the positivity and light within you. पूरे दिन के सारे तनाव और चिंताओं को दूर करते हुए मन को बिल्कुल शांत कर देंगे। बंद आंखों के साथ अपने शरीर को बिल्कुल ढीला रखेंगे, कंधे बिल्कुल ढीले, गर्दन बिल्कुल ढीली, कमर सीधी, chin parallel to ground. And now bring your both palm in front of your chest. आज का सेशन एक पॉजिटिव नोट पे एंड करते हुए हम एक बार ओम का उच्चारण करेंगे, फिर 3 बार शांति पाठ। ब्रीद इन, शांति शांति शांति। Bow your head down towards your palm. दोनों हथेलियों को अच्छे से रब करेंगे। Keep your eyes closed and rub your palms together. Place your both palms over your eyes, on your forehead. Gently open up your eyes, over your neck, your chest, your lower back, and both thighs and knees. Namaskaram. Thank you everyone for joining in today. I hope you enjoyed your class. If you have any question, you can ask now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Feel so positive and relaxed.
Thank you so much. Sorry. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Okay.